This here is my great-grandpappy. He was the original owner of this Hildago truck. They last forever. I've almost got 2 million miles on mine. Still got a lot of life left in her.
Some things are best left alone. When they're made right the first time around, you don't have to waste your time looking for an upgrade. Hildagos are a perfect fit just for about anybody. In fact, they're highly favored in hard-working environments.
Don't let anyone tell you this lifestyle's easy, because it's not. That's why I chose Hildago, because it's durable, reliable, inexpensive, and it gets the job done. It's nothing fancy. It's all I ever wanted.
I plan to one day pass this here on to my children. The quality is irreplaceable. Really something to admire.
I've never driven a finer automobile.
It's my best friend.
I wouldn't drive nothing else.
Call 1-800-HILDAGO for more information. That's right, 1-800-HILDAGO, or go to our online dealership at hildagotrucksdealers.com. If you go right now, we'll throw in a free keychain for your new ride. Again, that's 1-800-HILDAGO. Hurry, offer only valid while supplies last.
Visit your local dealership or our online resources for more processing and shipping information. All prices are subject to credibility. Images shown are not to scale. See store for details.